I'm Tucker from Tucker's Micromobility, based here in Nashville, Tennessee, and this is the Tucker S-10 Pro folding electric scooter. Today we're going to do a quick introduction, introduce you to the qualities of the Tucker S-10 Pro. The first thing you'll notice about the Tucker S-10 Pro is its heavy-duty frame. This alloy frame carries a 13 amp hour 30-volt battery that powers a 500-watt motor. This configuration can take the Tucker S-10 Pro scooter up to 20 miles per hour, carrying a 250-pound payload. It can climb the tallest hills, at least the tallest hills here in Nashville, and can go 30 miles on a single charge. Some of the features that make the Tucker S-10 Pro scooter stand out are its large 10-inch wheels. These wheels provide for a stable platform, especially in an urban environment. Take those 10-inch wheels and pair them with dual front suspension, you're going to have a nice smooth ride. Of course, the Tucker S-10 Pro is built to fold. Very simple mechanism. Just click, fold, and you can latch it to the back of the scooter. Once folded, of course, you can pick it up, carry it, store it in your trunk or in your apartment, and you're good to go. Unfolding is just as simple. Tilt it up, click it into position. The Tucker S-10 Pro has its cabling run internal to the frame. This is where you'll find the brake, control, and electrical cables. This is a key feature. Many scooters at the folding mechanism have the cables that run on the outside, and these are easily broken or caught while riding, especially in an urban environment. The Tucker S-10 Pro has a 4-digit combination cable lock that's integrated into the frame. The cable is easily stowed. You can pull it out, pull the cable out, lock your scooter. Of course, you got about a little over a foot of cable in here, and secure your scooter while you're out and about in town or at the grocery store. Another security feature of the Tucker S-10 Pro is the near field communication card. The NFC card is paired with your scooter. To turn the scooter on, you press the power button. Once done, you take your NFC card and lay it over the LCD screen. The scooter comes alive. Now you can see your battery power, your miles per hour, and what mode you're in, whether it's economy or up through sport. Of course, the Tucker S-10 Pro has integrated lighting. Double tap the on button, the front light will come on, as will the rear lights. The rear lights are connected to both the brake, so when you pull the brake, they'll flash. Additionally, it has turn indicators for left or right signaling. Additional safety features of the Tucker S-10 Pro is that the push and go throttle is deactivated when the scooter is not in motion. You basically have to kick off and get the scooter going, press the throttle, and you'll zoom away up to 20 miles an hour. It has an integrated bell for pedestrian awareness, and the brake disengages the electric motor and simultaneously engages the front brake. So you have great braking power. I think the best thing now is to take this thing for a spin and show some action shots. So to get it going, press the start button, hold your NFC card to the screen. We're ready to rock. Helmet on for safety, kickstand up, and let's see the Tucker S-10 Pro in motion. It has been such a pleasure introducing you to the Tucker S-10 folding electric scooter. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to contact me. You can find my contact information on my website, tuckersmicromobility.com. Have a great day.